Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you, Father, for another wonderful and amazing day. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Joyce McTeer, for those of you who don't know me, and I am going to be your boop. I am going to be your host for today's video. In this Crafty Vision segment today, I am going to show you something really cute that I created using these plastic keychains. Now, what I am going to say is that you may want to use a little bit of super glue or to put something that will really make these kind of stick. I was doing a taste test. Boop. I was doing a test and I threw this up in the air just to see if it would crack. If it's something on it that's really, really heavy, it will open. So my suggestion would be for you to use some super glue or something that will allow it to close permanently so that it doesn't open. Okay, so this is what I'm going to show y'all how to make today. Now, these are plastic keychains. I'm going to show you what you get. You get a set of 16 pieces, and I'm going to show you this different shapes that you will get. So bear with me, everyone. Okay, you get 4 shapes. So the first shape is a heart. So you get a heart. And then you get a triangle, rectangle, square, whatever you want to call it. Okay. All right. Then in this one, you get a star. You get some star ones. These are really cool, y'all. And you also get some round ones. All right, circles. So I was trying to figure out which one of these I want to go with, and I think I'm going to go with probably the heart. Okay, to show y'all what I am making. Okay, so these right here, this is what you're going to close it off with. Okay. So since I'm going to be going with the heart, which is going to be this one, this part is going to go over top of this, okay? And it's going to close off once I fill it in with what I'm going to be using. But this is what you get, okay? You get it in circles, you get it in hearts, you get it in your stars and your squares, okay? And these I purchased from Michaels. For those of you who want to know, I purchased these from Michaels. Now, the next thing that I'm going to be doing is I am going to be taking this off. Okay, that one off. That's a split ring. And I'm going to be adding on this keychain. Okay, so we're going to be going with silver. I'm going to be using this one, because it's a little bit more heavy, a little bit more sturdy, and it has a really large lobster claw clasp. And I like real large lobster claw clasp because you can put this on your purse, you can put it on your bag, you can put it on your keychain, whatever you prefer. All right, so we're going to go with that one. And this is, I purchased these from Amazon.com. You get these in 4 different colors. Let me show you all the colors real quick before we get into this tutorial. So you get it in gunmetal. That's gunmetal. You get it in gold. You get it in brass. Okay. Antique brass is what it looks like to me. And then you also get it in silver. These are the 4 colors that it come in, and it comes in a pack of 50. And I think they were like 20 something and some change, $20 something and some change. But these are really, really, really good, really sturdy. Okay. Really, really good. All right. Amazon.com. For those of you who want to know, that's where I purchased these. Amazon.com. Now, the very last thing that you're going to need is you're going to need some inclusions. This is what this is. This is $4.49. I purchased this from Hobby Lobby, okay? It says it works well with UV resin. Now, I will not be using resin for this project. And my reason for that is because I am going to be putting this down inside of here, and the back of the heart, okay, it is going to go, I'm trying to make sure, this is going to, it's going to go this way. All right, so it's not going to go this way. It's going to go this way. All right, once I get it in there, it's going to go down like that. So the very first thing I want to do is I'm going to take this off. And what's so amazing about making these is that you can do these. I'm going to say this. I would use this as a giveaway. Like if somebody buys something from me, I would just give them a free keychain. Like I literally would not, I'm going to say, to be honest with you, I really would not sell these like to make a profit. But if I was making, you know, if you sell jewelry or whatever you sell, this would really be a good freebie. Okay, and I'm going to show you why. So basically what you want to do now is you're going to take and connect that to this. And bring it all the way over like that. Okay, and that's what you're going to have. All right, now if you feel like you want to sell these, you can, but just make sure that if you decide to sell these, that, you know, you might, like I said, want to use a little bit of glue. All right, a little bit of glue to make sure that this does not fall out. And the reason why I say that is because I did a test. I made one, I put it on a keychain, I threw it up in the air and let it go. Because, you know, a lot of times, if you have this on a key, now if it's on a purse, it'll be fine. If you hang this on a purse, it will be fine. If you hang it on your wallet, it will be fine. But if you put this on a keychain and you drop your keys, this is going to pop open. I'm just being honest with you. It will pop open. But it's going to be safe if you put it on a purse. It's going to be safe if you put it on a wallet, because how often do we drop our wallets? Okay, keychains, our keys, we drop a lot. We drop it sometime getting in the car. We drop it sometime going in the house. All right, so I'm just putting all that information out there to just let you know. So this right here, y'all, I fell so in love with this. This is what it looks like, okay? And you can use these for all different types of projects. But that's what you're going to have. I'm only going to take a handful and put it in here like this. Because, you know, it's going to look like it's moving around in there. And it's all different sizes of real small letters. I thought this was really, really cute. I bought this some time ago. Never used it. I bought the key rings. I actually bought the key rings before I bought the inclusions. Before I bought this, I had that already. And I bought this and wasn't really thinking. And then the other day I was like, oh, you could probably make something really, really cute. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to just put just a little bit of glue right here. Okay, just right there. And I'm going to probably add something maybe right there and right there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here. I'm going to place it like that. And I'm going to push down on it. You hear that pop? Now once you hear that pop, it's in there. All right, it's in there. Pop, pop, pop. This is what it's going to look like. All right, so I put a little bit of glue down the bottom on both sides, just a little bit up at the top, like that, so you can really see. But this is what it's going to look like. Okay, because like I said, I did a test on it and I didn't trust it, but this is what it looks like. And this is cute, and I'm going to show y'all the other designs that I made. I did it. This is the heart one. If you don't want to interchange this part, you can keep this on if you want to. But I just think that this will, you know, be something really cute for you to put. And I did them in all 3 different sizes. And this would be something that you could put on your purse, put on your wallet, you know, put on your iPhone. You can hang it on your iPhone some type of way, I'm sure. And, you know, it's just something different. Okay. If you decide to sell it, just make sure that you use a little bit of super glue on both ends so that it would not come off or pop out at all. Okay. So with that being said, I do want to take this time to say thank y'all so very much. I greatly appreciate your support. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share and thumbs up. And once again, y'all have a wonderful and amazing day. And until my next upload, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.